It's Legal Minute time. We got Paul ready to go from Martin Harding and Mazzotti Legal at 1-800-LAW-1010. Good morning, Paul.
Hey, good morning, guys.
All right, so, I don't follow sports, but I heard about this Giants defensive end, Jason Pierre-Paul, over the 4th of July having too much fun, and now his career could be in trouble.
Well, he's certainly up his career could be. I guess the doctors are coming back saying that he's going to be relatively okay, but what the Giants did is they decided to pull this $60 million long-term offer because they don't know what's going to happen to his hand. And so the question always kind of coming up, and can they pull the offer? And the answer is they can.
Okay, now what he did was, for anybody who doesn't know, is he was playing with fireworks, right, Mary?
That's what I hear. And then he injured his hand?
Yeah, his hands.
Right.
So, and they're thinking about rescinding this offer, and they can do it.
It's kind of contracts 101, where you have a situation where if I make you an offer to do something, and before you accept it, I say, oh, change my mind, don't want to do it, I can do that. You didn't rely on it, you didn't make that decision. And in this case, Jason has, at this point, the $60 million contract is pulled off. But the good news for Jason is that he still gets to play for $14.8 this year and not have a long-term contract. So as much as I hope that physically he's okay, but it sounds like financially he's going to rebound quite nicely.
So maybe if he comes back to full health next year, he can get the $60 million contract.
Or more. We'll have to wait and see on that.
Yeah, like he would become a free agent, wouldn't he? He could sign with anybody.
Right, that's exactly right, because by pulling the contract, at some point during this year, he then becomes available for other teams to offer. I think he wants to stay in the Giants. I think he was going to turn down the $60 million anyway.
Yeah.
I felt he's worth just a bit more. So we'll have to see how this plays out. Good problems to have, as they say.
Well, if he's really smart, he would just go on Dancing with the Stars. So, Paul, hey, man, it's always great to talk to you every week. Get our legal stuff going.
All right. Thanks, guys.
It's Paul Harding from Martin Harding and Mazzotti Legal at 1-800-LAW-1010. Paul, we got another date next week to talk.
Sounds great. Talk to you then, guys.